Hello and welcome to the AI Pills course. This journey will help you understand, in a simple way, what artificial intelligence is and how to use it in everyday life. The lessons are concise, allowing you to follow them effortlessly. The course is continually evolving, with new lessons being added regularly. To stay updated, subscribe to the newsletter or follow me on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Medium. You've probably already heard about artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, or automations. Maybe they seem like topics only for programmers or tech experts. The truth is, you don't need any technical skills to begin. This course aims to explain AI in simple terms, using short and clear lessons accessible to everyone. It's not just about theoretical definitions. By the end of this course, you will understand the fundamental concepts of AI, such as LLMs, and be able to use simple tools. We'll explore practical examples, summarizing a text, generating content ideas, or creating small automations like an email draft. You'll develop more awareness of when and how to use AI effectively. We'll follow a logical and progressive path. First, language models, the LLMs, which form the foundation of tools like ChatGPT. Second, data and APIs, the gateways that enable automations to perform actions. Third, RAG and vector databases used to search within your documents and retrieve more accurate answers. Fourth, ethics and the future of AI, to recognize opportunities and responsibilities. Today, AI is genuinely accessible to everyone. With no-code tools, you can create without needing to program. For example, get the summary of a document or a draft email with just one click. All you need is curiosity and the willingness to experiment. I'll take care of the rest, guiding you step by step. The essentials are here, and you'll learn the tools in upcoming lessons. The real question is, what will you create with AI? This course will continue to expand with new lessons published regularly. To ensure you don't miss them, subscribe to my social channels. Are you ready? Let's start with the first pill.